For this episode, I will be making my composter. I will be using the cheapest method, which is the open pile composter, because it requires nothing other than the compostable material and the ground to sit on. So first things first, we gotta back it out. That looks pretty good. Now we just need to make some borders for it, which I have some bricks over here I'll just lay in and kind of put them into the dirt. But first we need to level it out because you don't want it to be looking like that. Now that it's mapped out, I'm going to make a little bit of a trench in the middle so that water can come out through there, as well as air will be able to reach more of the bottom part of the compost pile. I think it's time to get a little bit of a smaller shovel. This one's a little too big. There we go. Smaller shovel. That looks like a trench to me. Now we can finally start adding our compostable material, starting with the bulky stuff. A little bit less than I expected to have, but it's some. Now we need to add some of the green stuff, which I don't really have. There's some grass in there, and I had the pumpkin, which is gonna have to do. I think that's good enough for the green layer, so we're gonna do another carbon layer on top. And that was probably the most disgusting thing I've ever touched, but now we just need to do the final carbon layer, which I need to get in a bag for. It's not quite 3 feet high, but it's a start. Now we just need to aerate it a little bit and add some water, and that's all it needs. And that's pretty much the pile. If you're gonna add like more food scraps into there, you kind of want to make a little hole into it